Welcome everyone. Today is August the 17th. It is a Friday. This is Ken LaRocca with Binary Pro Strategies. Okay, this is going to be the recap of the trades that I made today in chat. Fridays are usually pretty tough, and as I always say, you really want to kind of be careful on these Fridays because sometimes they're good, but more than not, it's just a really choppy day, and I can't really figure out why. The only thing I can think is that most of the action has been done already by the institutions, and they're just going in light on Friday and then going to come back and hit it pretty heavy either Sunday night or Monday. So expecting better days coming up, but nonetheless, this is the trades. I really should have stopped on my first trade. It wasn't once and done. I went ahead and I bought the USD Japanese yen. These are my actual signals here that line up with the trades. Of course, this is a buy, this is a sell, and this is a buy. My 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. These are not the charts I necessarily use for my trades. I do have some other charts that I use as well. And I'll go into that a little bit later. But right now, the most important thing is typically on a Friday, if you hit the first trade and it's a winner, you pretty much want to stop. And of course, I didn't do that because I was expecting a little bit better actions. As you can see, my second trade was a loser. And then I just kind of lightened up and went with one and ended up being a winner. So overall for the day, really down 136, not too bad for me, kind of a wash. Not the best of weeks. I think I ended the week up like $165, $170, I don't know, something like that. But nonetheless, it's better to come out green for the week than going into red. I'm going to come back on Sunday and hit it. Typically, Sundays are really good nights. This is not something I'm going to actually share, but I'll share my trades on how I did on Sunday. This is not something that I do live with my group. My trading is typically Monday through Friday in the chat room, but I will share those trades. And then come on Monday, I'm looking for a lot of really good volatility. So, like I said, typically when the markets get a little choppy like this, it usually means these markets are getting ready to move. So let's expect some really good trading days next week, some good volatility. Besides that, that's it. If you're interested in seeing exactly how I do this, I do provide you with a free, what I call the fundamental videos, kind of go through the basic things that I look for in order to make my trades. I think it would help with your trading. And then more specifics, if you want to know more specifics and get into the details, then you join the chat room, and as I do with the other members, I walk you through my trades and explain everything a little bit more in detail on how you can do this yourself. And that's the goal. The goal is for you to learn how to do this on your own. I don't want people to mirror my trades. That's not how you learn to trade. You learn to trade by seeing the same things that I see, and that's what I'm here to teach you guys to do. But nonetheless, hang tight. I'll tell you how to get your hands on that fundamental video, and I hope to see you next Monday for the next recap. Take care. Bye. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in the fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.